This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account on the console or the web. This ties the card to your profile. Once signed in, make sure the gift card region matches the account region, because redemption locks region settings. Have the 25-character code visible and free from glare. You'll type it or scan it. If the purchase exceeds the card value, make sure you have a payment method saved so any remaining dollars are covered automatically. You redeem either directly on the console or via the Microsoft account website. Choose what's easiest for you. On Xbox, go to Guide, Open Store, then redeem, type, or scan the code. On the web, sign into your account and open the Redeem Code page. Paste the 25-character string. Once entered, confirm the currency and the balance update. If you plan to buy Game Pass or an item, redeem before checkout so the balance applies automatically. You finish by selecting your Microsoft account balance at checkout. The system deducts the amount before any saved card. If the transaction fails, stop and verify the code was entered exactly, no extra spaces, and that your account region matches the card's region, because mismatch prevents redemption. If you see a blocked or already used code, make sure you have proof of purchase, then contact Microsoft support. Keep screenshots and the receipt ready. This speeds up resolution and gets your funds restored faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.